DroneSentry-C2 Tactical, a field-ready command and control system for enhanced counter-drone situational awareness. DroneShield, a leading company in drone technology, has announced the launch of its new product, DroneSentry-C2 Tactical, DroneSentry-C2T. This new offering is a rugged, tablet-based command and control system designed to provide real-time counter-drone situational awareness. The DroneSentry-C2T is a field-ready version of DroneShield's primary command and control solution, DroneSentry-C2. It allows operators to maintain awareness of multiple portable, on-the-move, and fixed-site systems in their area of interest. The system integrates with both DroneShield and third-party devices, such as the RfPatrol body-worn drone detector and the DroneSentry-X mobile and fixed-site drone detection and defeat system. The system features an intuitive satellite map-based display and facilitates two-way communication between the user and the network of counter-drone devices. It provides the ability to demonstrate drone detections from a network of sensors back to a central point on a rugged user tablet. Additionally, where lawful, it can activate drone defeat systems. The release of the DroneSentry-C2 Tactical solution is in line with modern defense technology trends, pushing enhanced situational awareness and decision-making tools to the operator at the edge. It allows personnel on the ground to take a more strategic view of the area of operation, said Angus Bean, DroneShield's CTO. He further added, DroneShield is both a sensor maker and a developer of C2/sensor integration systems, which enables us to provide an optimized experience for the end user. The release of the DroneSentry-C2T enables us to utilize our position as the global leader in the CUAS handheld systems, and introduce the world's first command and control system for a handheld CUAS environment. The launch of DroneSentry-C2T not only enhances the solutions for existing DroneShield users but also offers a new entry-level C2 solution to customers who do not require the full DroneSentry solution. As we are seeing in Ukraine and other places around the world, handheld CUAS devices enable cost-effective, mass-scale drone detection and defeat capability. DroneSentry-C2T enables to network these groups of devices together, without a limitation on the size of the amount of devices, to provide a central point of awareness and response, either in the hands of a single master user or distributing information amongst multiple users in the field, Bean explained. The product has recently completed successful trials with the U.S. Department of Defense.